So first things you tell me what you have remember. Last time I have told you differentiation of x square. X power n is how much? Please tell me dx.
Dx is x minus on n minus 1.
Sorry,
X in n minus 1.
can you write it? What you are telling?
Mm, oh, sorry. N.
Hmm. Okay, n into x power n minus 1. Good. I understood. Okay, good. If x, y, suppose I will write y is equal to a x n plus c. What is the dy by dx? Can you tell me?
Is going to be uh, n a on 1 second, a on n.
A on n.
Yes.
A n.
A n and then x n minus 1.
Hmm. Then
Um,
over or anything else will be there?
no, no, 0.
0. Okay, good. Now suppose we are having some trigonometrical function. Suppose sine x. Suppose y is equal to sine x, or y is equal to cos x, or y is equal to tan x. What will be the differentiation? Please, please write dy by dx is equal to cos x. Sin x differentiation become cos x. Dy by dx for the cos x it becomes minus sin x. Then
Okay.
y is equal to 10x. Dy by dx is equal to,
Cot.
no, sec square x, secant square x. Okay, these three formula main you have to remember, correct? Now suppose you are having y is equal to sine 5x. What you will do? Differentiation of dy by dx in this case, can you tell me?
Is going to be cos 5x.
Is
Is
going
going to
to
be
be
5.
cos
5 cos
5x.
5 on 5 5 on cos 5x.
Oh, great. Yes, you are right. You are right. Absolutely right. You are right. Correct, na? Then what about the integration? Integration
Integration.
is the reverse process, inverse function of differentiation. Inverse function. Please listen very carefully. Inverse function means if I differentiated, if I y, see main is the y is a function. Please understand, y is a function. Y is equal to sin x. It may be anything. Correct na? Here x is variable, y is variable. Am I right? 5 is constant. Correct na? So integration means what? If I integrate this one, what I should get?
You should get sine 5x.
Yes, I should get y, sin x means I should get y. Is it clear? So what? Let us start from the beginning only. See, if y is equal to sin x, dy by dx is equal to cos x. If I cos x integrate, what I will do? So integration of cos x is equal to sin x. Is it clear? Because cos in, I should get same thing na. You look here. Look here.
Yes, yes, I see. Integration of cos x is equal to sine x.
Yes. Because it is a inverse process. Am I right or not? Suppose I will integrate of this one. Then what happen? Integration of minus sine x is equal to cos x. Please understand. sorry, can you read it? This one cos x, yeah.
Yes.
Integration of,
Minus sin x.
yeah. So please tell me, if I integration of sin x I will write, then what happen? Integration of sin x, what you will say? Minus
Minus.
cos x.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
If I says integration of here 5 cos x, sin 5x, what I will do? Integration of sin 5x. What you will write?
Minus 5 cos 5x.
See, 5 we are multiplying here in the differentiation. So here what we will do?
Divide.
Divide. Is
So
it
it's going to be minus cos 5x divided on 5.
minus cos 5x divided by
5.
5? Please remember, if here 5 is not multiplied, it is going to be divide. Am I right or not?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now suppose this is there. What I will say, y is equal to x square a plus x integration of d, integration of y means dx integration. Please tell me what you will do.
Is going to be
Y dy.
x divided on a plus x divided on a.
No, no. She,
2.
yeah,
2x divided on. No, no, no.
no.
Ax
Listen,
divided
listen,
on
listen,
2.
listen, listen. Your video is not coming. You can just freeze it, okay? Just to do it.
You want me to do the video?
Yeah, it is not coming. Yeah, just freezed.
Okay.
Yeah. See, x power n, integration of x power n dx is equal to how much?
Is equal to x
Power n plus
plus 1.
1 divided by n plus 1. Please,
Okay.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you differentiate it, this one, you see x power n you are getting or not. Means whatever you are getting result, if you differentiate, what you will get original one.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
So you want to see how to differentiate. Can we differentiate it?
Mm-hmm.
Let us differentiate it. D power dx power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. You differentiate it. Please tell me.
X n plus 1 n plus 1.
See, n plus 1 is a constant. You write 1 by n plus 1. No change in. Now x power n plus 1 is there. What is the formula for differentiation?
Xn is going to be x and
N plus 1 is there, na? So n plus
n
1 is good.
minus n
N
minus
plus
1.
1 and into x power n plus 1 minus 1. So what happened finally? N plus 1 cancel and it becomes x power n.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear? See, the same we have started integration, and whatever result we got, if we differentiated, same will come.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes.
It is clear
Yes.
or not?
Yes, yes, it's clear.
Okay. So similarly, if differentiation constant in, suppose here it is there 5x cube integration dx, what will be there?
It's going to be the 1 second x in 4,
X
x
power 4, very good,
divided
over 4.
on 4.
What about the 5?
Oh, no, on 4
Hmm,
and multiply
5.
on 5.
Okay, but same things here. I wrote here sine 5x. What you have did, please tell me.
Um, minus
Minus cos
cos
5
5x.
over 5. See, trigonometrical function we have to divide it. Is it
Ah,
clear?
okay. But a
Trigonom
regular
regular
function.
constant. Yes, we have to same as it is. You have to fix it. You can
Mm-hmm.
differentiate now. You can check it now. See, you differentiate it. You can check it. See, if one or
Mm-hmm.
two case, if you check it now, you will get more confidence. I want you should make perfect. Okay, you should get more confident. Please
Mm-hmm.
differentiate it. Please tell me.
1 second. Wait, why do you write dx? Is it dx? dx.
I am differentiating these whole things. What result I got?
Uh-huh.
Result I got. Now, which is the result I got after the differentiation, integration?
Yes, yes. Why do you write dx at the end, not dy?
Where?
You write d, so it's like dy on dx?
Yes, y is equal to now become this. This is whole things become
Ah, okay.
y.
Mm-hmm.
So all things are
Okay.
I have put here y and divide by dx. This is the dx.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's going to be 5 divided on 4 on multiply on 4
You want to write or shall I write?
and x on in the third in the and then it's going to be 5x cubed.
Tell me you. It is going to 5x cube. Are you getting?
Yes, yes.
See, here it means you are multiplying only. Na here multiplication is there. You same things you are keeping only. Correct or not?
Yes, yes. Divided on 4 and then multiply on 4, so it's going to be
5x cube. So
mm-hmm.
my definition is correct na, that integration is
Mm-hmm.
the inverse function of differentiation or differentiation is inverse function of integration.
Mm-hmm.
Correct na? Inverse function means
Mm-hmm.
what? Suppose I will say y is equal to 1 by x. This is the inverse function. Correct na? Y inverse is
Mm-hmm.
equal to how much?
1 second. Y minus 1 is equal
Is
to x.
x. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Can you do the integration of this?
Mm-hmm. It's going to be x cube
Hmm.
divided on 3
Hmm.
minus 5 x. No, it's not going to be x. Minus 5. No. Minus 5x squared
Hmm.
divided on 2
Hmm.
and plus sine x.
Good. And one constant, while integration you will do some constant you should add. Why? Because constant differentiation is become zero, so we don't know whether some constant number like 4 5 6 comes or not. Correct na?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Yes, yes.
Because when we will do the differentiation of the constant it becomes zero. Correct or not?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
So
mm-hmm,
that is the reason we are adding some constant. Okay.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Now integration some this one is there. Suppose one this format you should understand. If I do the
Mm-hmm.
integration of this one, okay, one formula. Integration of 1 by x is equal to how much?
Is equal to uh, x.
Hmm?
1 second. X minus 1 is x minus 1 x 0 1
Hmm?
is going to be 1.
No, it is going to be 1 by x is going to be log e x. Please read this, remember this formula. This is a special case for this.
Okay, yeah, I forgot this formula.
Okay.
Log. Mhm. Okay.
What is the integration of x power minus a?
Integration of x minus a is gonna be um minus no, x
Hmm.
plus x 1 minus a divided on 1 minus a
Sorry.
x
X.
uh, one, x in 1 minus a divided on 1 minus a.
Over.
Yes.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
It's going to be log 5 log 4x. I don't remember this.
Mm,
4x.
no, no. I told only when single 1 power x is there. 1 power x. Here x power 4 is there. So can I write here like this one? 1 by 5 x power 4 on the bottom denominator is there. Can I write x power minus 4 df?
Yes, 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 yes. I mean, yes. Okay. So then it's going to
Hmm.
be x minus 3 divided on 5 on minus 3.
Like this. Is it clear? So
Yes.
what is the final answer?
1 minus 1 15x divided on 15x square
Q,
cube.
Q. Is it clear?
Yes.
Very simple way I am going to whatever, because you are going to use only simple, because medical nothing will be go deep. Okay, so I am trying to teach you very fastest way to teach the mathematics. Okay, like can you tell me, if I will give x is equal to see, listen my question. The
Yes.
displacement of a particle given by the formula displacement. See, displacement of a particle is given by the formula x is equal to 4t square minus 60 plus 7. Find the velocity of the particle at time t is equal to 5 second.
You need to do like integration from 0 to 5 or something? No.
Think over 1 minute you take to think.
Velocity. We need to do differentiation first, and then we find
Velocity
velocity.
is what? First you tell me the formula.
Velocity is
Displacement by
dx on
dt.
by dt
Yes. Velocity is dx by
dt.
dt. So you should write velocity is equal to dx by dt. Am I right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, and then it's going to be you just do differentiation
Tell me, na.
of 4 on 1 1 uh-huh 4 on 2
Hmm.
t
Hmm.
minus 6 minus 6 8t minus 6. So velocity at 5 seconds is 8 on 5 minus 6 34.
Good. 34 meter per second. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
See, you have did one differentiation questions. Am I right? First question.
Mm-hmm.
Correct, na?
Mm-hmm.
Now, suppose I will ask the reverse question. Your video is not coming. Please correct it so that I can see that whatever it is going on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you do,
Just tell me when it's not
if
working.
it is working, I just because I know the eye to eye contact. Okay.
Okay.
See what I'm trying to tell you. Now I am going to reverse. Reverse means velocity is given. Velocity, suppose velocity at any time 8t minus 6.
And find the displacement.
Yes, find the displacement when time is equal. No, here it is given. When see question will be asked like this. If t is equal to 0, x is equal to 9 meter. If
Mm-hmm.
t is time is 0, initial displacement is given 9 meter. Correct na? The object is moving, correct? At,
Mm-hmm.
at
Mm-hmm.
any point when we started my watch, I have seen that
Mm-hmm.
my reference axis it is 9 meter away. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Is it
Mm-hmm.
clear now? You understood or not?
Yes, yes.
See, this
Yes,
is
yes.
my axis of reference. My finger is axis of reference, and the object when I started my watch t, it was here. You are seeing my mobile, na?
Mm-hmm.
Correct, na? So when
Yes.
t is given 0, x is 9. I want find the displacement when t is 9 second.
Mm-hmm.
Find the displacement. Can you try it?
Mm-hmm.
When t is 9
So
second.
you need to do integration
See,
from
okay,
0 to
I will
9.
do the first question because it is the first question.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you think, see over, the very easy way I'm trying to. V is equal to how much you told dx by?
dt.
Yes, I will write here dx by dt is equal to 8t minus 6. Now what I have to find? X we have to find. Correct na? We want one
Mm-hmm.
formula for x. What I will
Mm-hmm.
do, this t. See, whenever integration is there, all these common things, t terms you should bring together. X terms, if it is there, you should bring dx side. Correct now? One left side is there, one right side is there. Either you bring
Mm-hmm.
all the t terms in the right side or left side, or dx term all the bring in the right side or left side. Means
Mm-hmm.
common what you tell common variable should be one side. Am I right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So can I cross multiply? Na, see, you know that x by y is equal to 5. So you can cross multiply. Na, x is equal to 5y.
Yes.
You know that.
Yes. Yes.
So similarly, we can apply this also. Please tell me dx is equal to how much?
8t minus 6 dt.
8t minus 6 and in bracket dt. dt is multiply everywhere. Now we will integrate it both side. See, I am integrating both side. Is it clear? Integrating both side. Why I am doing? Because I want dx integration. Na, here 1 is there. See, 1 dx. You have to take the formula for 1 dx. Is it clear or not? Means 1 is there.
Yes.
1 is there means x power 0. 1 is there means you can write this one x power 0 dx. Is it clear? For just understanding purpose. And this one you can break in the two integration. 8t dt minus integration of minus I have already taken 6 dt. Can you do this one? Please tell me x power 0 integration of x power 0.
1.
Eh,
Sorry. No,
x power 0 plus 1
Yes.
by
X
x. It means
divided
x.
on 1.
Correct na? So integration of dx is x. Please remember integration of dx is x is equal to 8t. 8t is how much? 8 is the constant.
8t squared divided on 2
Yes.
minus 6t
Plus some constant will come. Is it clear?
plus c.
Some constant I told now whenever you do the some integration you should add some constant. Is it clear? So now this constant value how you will find out? Because otherwise you cannot find. Na, see, suppose t is equal to 9 second. 9 if you put t here you cannot find the x value. Is it clear or not? So for that only I have given when t is 0. When, please see here, when
If x is 9.
t is 0, what is the x is 9? Put this value here.
And then you can find c.
Yes. So x is equal to t 0, 0 minus 0 plus c.
So c is equal to 9.
C is equal to 9. Am I right or not? C is equal to 9. Is it clear? Means this object at 0 time when we analyze this motion, he was this object is not at origin. Please understand.
Yes, I understand.
This is already 9 meter away from the origin. Is it clear? Now what is the our equation become for the displacement? The final equation become for the displacement is, please tell me what is the final equation displacement?
X is equal to
8.
4t squared
Yes,
minus
4t square
plus
minus
9
60
minus 60 plus 9.
9. This is our final equation for the displacement. Is it clear?
Yes.
See,
and then
you told me now one question that here differentiation and integration both are there. You got confused.
yes. So then
Then
if t is 9,
t, no,
then
no,
you can
t
just
is
put
9. Correct na?
4 on 9 squared.
Yes.
And then minus 6 on 9
Can you
plus
calculate it
9.
and then tell me?
81. 324 minus 36 plus 9.
Don't use calculator, huh?
Okay.
Don't use calculator because the calculator will not allow in medical.
32
Shall
300.
I do it? See how I or you
1 second. I'm 7.
see 1 second. See Anastasia, please look here. I will tell you how to do the very easy way. See,
Okay.
see, if you just put x is equal to 4, t is 9, 9 is square, minus 6 into 9 plus 9. See, in the 1 minute, you can see the below 1 minute, 30 seconds, I can do this calculation. How? I will take 9 is here, 9 is here, 9 is here. I will take the 9 everywhere common. So it is what is the left out here? 4 into 9, 36,
36
minus
minus
6
6,
plus 9.
1
Plus 1, sorry. Oh,
plus
sorry,
plus
yaar.
1.
I am also doing the mistake.
36, so it's 31.
31
Okay.
into 9.
279.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
see,
much easier.
it will not, you think over. See, it is not like that always it is maybe by chance it may be easy, correct na? But I feel as per my experience, they will do the calculation, you do the calculation in the last. Okay, many things will be cut down, cancel, division or
Okay.
something, and sometimes you try to take the common because you know that medical one questions you will hardly get 1 minute or 2 minutes to do the questions.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Mm. So you should say me what is the unit of this one? Meter, correct na? Is it clear? Can you tell
Yes.
me what is the acceleration for this equation for the same question?
Ex yes.
Please tell me.
Acceleration.
Acceleration. See,
We need to do 1 second. I had already
v.
I need to do I need to do differentiation from that
Which
formula.
formula?
From velocity.
Velocity is how much is given? You have already got dx by dt.
At minus 6,
Hmm.
and then
A,
A is dx
dv by
by
dt. A
dv by dt.
is equal to
So it's dvt minus 6 in dt is equal to
differentiate it. This one.
8
A
8
meter per second square.
square.
Is it clear?
Yes.
See, the two classes is there. Second class is going on math. You are very comfortable now. Now you tell me, suppose I will give velocity is equal to hmm, velocity is equal to 5x square plus 9x. Display not in terms of time. See what is I did velocity. This is my reference point. Can you see? This is my reference axis. Velocity depends on the x. When it is moving away from the x, it is velocity is increasing or decreasing. It depends on the distance from the x. Is it clear?
So the longer it goes through the x, the bigger velocity.
Yes.
Okay.
What? How you will do? The question is now, what is the acceleration in this case when acceleration formula is what? Please tell me.
Is dv on dx?
dv on dx, no formula is there. dv by dt formula is there, but dv by uh,
Dv dv. Uh-huh.
see,
Maybe you need to like t. It needs to be expressed in x. No.
how?
T Time, maybe from the formula, maybe from like V final. No, it's not gonna be
A is
distance.
equal to how much? Please tell me.
dv on dt.
Yes, dv on dt. Is it clear? A is equal
Mhm.
to dv on dt.
Mhm.
Now, can we do this way? Divide dx everywhere. So what is the becomes dv by dx and dt. Dx is multiply here. Dx by dt. Can I write or not? Please see and then tell me.
You're doing multiply and divide on the x. Mhm. Yes, yes.
Sure.
Yes.
How?
Because it's gonna cancel.
Yes. And you require dv by dt. Am I right now?
Yes.
But if I use dv by dt, t is not there. I cannot use the dv by dt. So what I
Yes.
have to do? I have to apply some mind. I have to put dv by dx and dx by dt. Correct now? Now see,
Mhm.
I have put here. Your video is not gone. Just you freeze it. Okay, just tell it. dv by dx. Okay. See, dv by dx I will keep as it is. Correct na?
Mhm.
But dx by dt is there. Can I write dx by dt is equal to b?
Dx on dt is equal to v.
Yes.
Yes. So multiply on v.
Yes. V multiply is equal to. Now you see your formula is arranged or not. 5x square. What is our target? X should become one side and V will become one side. See, our target is only this much, na?
Mhm. So then
V dV is equal
five x
to
v
5x square plus
square
9x
9 square,
into
and
9.
then it's
Sorry,
going to
sorry.
be
What you told?
yes.
Something I am also speaking. You are also speaking. Something is miss. Huh? Yeah. Please see that.
You want to do integration here. Okay.
Why? Why I am doing the integration?
Um, because you want to just
B. I want. What is my question here? What was my question? B. Correct, na?
yes. Okay. V. Oh wait, I didn't understand why you want to do integration
Okay,
actually.
okay, okay, okay. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Sorry, 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 sorry.
What?
No, no, no. One second, one second. No, no. Question I wrote wrongly. A is equal to this so much. Sorry.
Okay.
Question I made from my side, na. Sometimes my mind just run. Okay.
So then you're asking what is going to be V?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
See, this is A I have written here. A is equal to this. Correct na? And A is
But
give.
all of this is correct?
All this is correct.
So then you want to find
What?
V from this.
Yes. What is the integration of V? dV?
Integration of dv is going to be
V dV.
uh,
V is there. So V,
v square
yes, by?
divided on 2.
Yes. Integration of 5x square. Please tell me fast.
Integration is going to be 5x cube divided on 3
Hmm.
divided on 3 plus 9x squared divided on 2
Yeah.
plus c.
Plus C. Here boundary condition is not given, so I will left it in the C term only, correct na? And I will mention here
Mm-hmm.
C is a constant. What is the B? They are asking B. So B 2 you transfer this
V,
side. B
yes, is equal to root square from, oh my god,
just you
root
multiply
square
2
from
is here to 2 into 5x cube 10 x
10x
cube over
cubed
3
divided on 3 plus 9x squared plus 2c.
plus 2c na.
Yes.
I will write some c1 because constant multiplied by another constant will we get some another constant. Okay, so this is the form.
Ah, okay.
This one is the formula. Is it clear?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Any doubt here up to here?
No, I mean, I understand now.
Okay. Now you are having, you remember that one questions you have told me to here differentiation and integration both are there.
Yes, yes, yes. Do you want to do that question?
Yes, immediately you can put it. I don't want to waste the time.
Yes, I can put it. Just one second. I need to. I think I downloaded it at some point. Wait, wait. Okay, let me just look in the book. It's going to be
Yeah.
faster because I know where it is. Um, yes. Uh-huh. I think it was or third or fourth. Let me just download. One second. Do you also teach someone who like to prepare for NEET exam, or you teach for
It is my own teaching style. Okay. Can you tell me? Can you read it?
acceleration a of a body moving with initial velocity u changes with
Initial
distance
velocity
to
u.
the.
Correct na? Initial velocity is given means when t is
Yes.
0, u velocity is u. Correct? This you got it?
Mm-hmm.
Am I right or not?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And distance, with distance, u changes with distance. U changes
Mm-hmm.
with the distance x. Correct na?
Mm-hmm.
Means
Mm-hmm.
u depends on x. Means velocity is depends on x. Am I right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And the formula they have given a is equal to k square root x. Is it clear? Where k is a positive. Your video is gone. Please correct it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So see, k is a positive constant. Hello.
Mm-hmm.
K is a constant. No problem na.
Mm-hmm.
You will do the differentiation or integration. You will take out the k. It is clear.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The distance traveled by the body when its velocity becomes 2u. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So x when it find x when
First, first,
you.
first listen. What formula you want? They are telling to find out. Velocity formula.
Uh-huh.
See, they are telling to find out where, because they are telling the velocity is equal to how much when 2u distance is.
No, no, no. Were they asking distance? They're saying that velocity is
Okay,
2u.
okay, sorry. So you have to get x in terms of u b, correct or not?
Mm-hmm.
Means either you can say vice versa also. B and x formula you want. Am I right? Just you see.
Yes. Yes.
B and x formula we want or not? Please tell me. Can you read one more time? So, or it is okay. You understood the question.
Yes, yes, I understood.
Okay, just now I did the similar type of questions. What you will write? A is equal to, tell me, here x is there. What you will do?
A is equal to dv on dt,
Hmm.
and then multiply and divide on dx.
Hmm.
So dv on dx and
A is equal to how
dx.
much is given?
A is
K
equal
square
to
root
x
x.
squared.
K square root x, no?
Oh, wait. K. Yes.
Please tell me. So, I want formula in terms of x. Velocity formula in terms of,
X.
correct or not? You are getting confused. Looks like confused. Little bit.
Um. Wait. I just dx and dt. Um. So v is it's going to be v on dv on dx.
B dv on dx is equal to k square root x. Then
And then you put v is equal to
b
d.
is dv integration is equal to k square root x dx. Please do the
K
integration.
squared. Okay. Integration is going to be v squared divided on 2 is equal to k
K square is their constant. You
square.
just take outside the
Yes.
integration.
K
X power
square.
half is there. X power root means half power.
Yes, yes. So it's going to be x 3 divided on 2
Divide by,
and divide on 3 2 on 2 plus c.
yes. Correct na? So how much it becomes now?
So it's going to be v square is equal to
B first
2.
you just break it, 3 by 2 k square. So 2k square by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus c. Is it clear?
Yes, yes. 4k square. Yes.
When initially what they have given? Some condition they have given na? U changes
Um,
with the distance x. K is the positive. The distance traveled by the body when velocity becomes 0.
yes, we can put v is equal to u to u. So it's going to be 4u squared divided
But
on
what about
2.
the K? K,
K is constant.
K is, no, no, no. What about the C? See, here it is given na initial velocity
C
is U. Initial velocity is
u.
moving with initial velocity U, changes with distance. Correct na? Changes with,
Distance.
okay. Uh, Initial velocity with U changes with distance. So it means U is 0, V is 0. It means what I understood. U is changes with displacement, means if U x is 0, U is 0.
0.
Yes, velocity is 0. So when x is 0, so V is 0. Is it clear? Therefore,
Oh, so C is 0.
yes. Therefore, C is 0. Then what my formula becomes? V square is equal to 2.
Is equal to 4k squared divided on 3. K 3 divided on 3 divided on 2. And that's it.
Square.
Oh, wait, why you put
Okay. No,
2?
no, 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 no. I was just multiplied 4 double times. Okay.
So then
What is your answer it is given?
2, wait, the thing is that it's v square, we need to find, not v, we need to find x.
The distance traveled by the body when its velocity becomes 2u. Correct na? When velocity becomes 2u. So we want x. So v square we will put 2u.
Yes,
So can you put it the 2u? 4u
yes,
is
yes,
square
4u square.
is equal to 3. Yeah, sorry. 3u multiply here and is equal to 4k square x power 3 by 2. 4k square you take down this side.
Yes. Wait, why do you have 12?
3 into 4.
3 into 4.
Or
Okay,
again I
yes,
4
yes.
I will cancel. Thrice 7.
Yes, yes, 3. Uh-huh. So it's 3u square on k square. But then it's x is equal to,
See, x power 3 by 2 is there. I want x. So you have to take this power 2 by 3. Both side if I take power 2 by 3. What happened?
uh-huh.
3u square by k square power 2 by 3 is equal to x power 3 by 2 whole thing power 2 by 3. Power over power is multiplying. Is it clear?
Yes, yes,
So x power
yes.
3 by 2 into 2 by 3
Mm-hmm.
is equal to x.
Yes, friend. Mm-hmm.
So it is answer is there, option is there, this option.
Wait, can you show me again? 1 second. 3u. Uh, but you need to like. Okay, okay. I understand what you. Okay, can you let me see if it's there. Um, 3 3u square on k square. For some reason, they don't have this answer. 3u.
Or somewhere mistake, similar answer is there, but
Yeah, something.
something is missed. 3 u. 1 second. Just 1 second. I'm thinking. 1 second. His answer is given, Anastasia.
Yeah, let me see.
Yeah.
B.
No, and detailed answer is given.
A detailed answer. E. Um. Yes,
Can you
kind of.
can you upload it? I will just see where I did the mistake.
So they do integration from U to 2U.
Okay, okay, I understood now. When you,
Do you understand?
yes, you, I understand. U to U. What is the 0 to x? Then integration 0 to x. Am I right, na?
Yes, yes.
See, they have did here U to 2U and 0
Mm-hmm.
to x. Am I right?
Yes, I get. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, listen. Very simple things I have did the mistake. No problem.
Mm-hmm. So how to do this?
Yes, I am just doing. It is the difference. It is the this is called definite integral. Definite integral means limit is there u to u. So what I will do, just a v square I integrate it. This is I have integrated this one and this I have
Mm-hmm.
integrated. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
See, just you see that u to 2u and 0 to x they have taken, na? Am I right or not?
I mean, they didn't write for X anything. They just wrote integration.
Okay. So see here they have to write u to 2u. Initial u and this is 2u. Means limit.
Mm-hmm.
This is called lower limit. I will explain in the further. First u and this is called upper limit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hello.
2U is called lower limit.
2u called upper limit in the up,
Ah, okay. Yes, yes.
and u is bottom is called. So first we will put upper limit. V will be first, it is given as upper limit. So what is the upper limit here?
Mm-hmm.
2u. So in place of 2u v square we will put 2u square by 2. Then
Mm-hmm.
lower limit, while putting minus you should put, and then you put lower limit u square by 2. Very simple.
Um, Wait. So you just like, okay. So first you take
Top,
integration at the point of U.
yeah. Integration at the point of 2u.
2U first. 2U, square on 2. Okay. Minus U square on 2.
Okay.
Okay.
And then here k square, whatever here we have written, k square 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2. Is it clear or not?
Um, 2K square on, wait, 0, when you put 0 is going to be 0,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So then you put X to,
Hmm.
uh,
2u square is how much? Please tell me. 4u
4U
square
square
by 2.
on 2, and then 2K square on 3, X 3 on 2. So it's 2, 2. Okay, so X is equal to 3U square on K square. X
No, no. Here 2u square minus u by 2. So it will be 3u square by 2. Are you agree with me or not? Please tell me.
3U square, 3U square.
Or not agree.
Wait, wait. Oh my god, yes, I forgot this. Yes. 3U square by 2. Yes.
Is equal to
3U square by 2 is equal to U 2K k squared on divided on 3 k x 3 on 2.
Correct?
And then you can then k is equal to 6
9.
9 u squared divided on 4k squared, and then you put it on in x, and then you multiply it on 2 divided on 3.
Hmm? What?
You
What?
multiply both sides.
Why 2? Why 3? Not multiply, power.
Power, yes, power 2 by 3. So then you need to open, I guess, right?
Hmm.
You need to open this.
But again, answer is not coming. No, 9 u square by 2 square. Yeah, answer is
Okay, you want me to
no, 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 no,
came
no, no.
down?
Answer is came. Came. Answer is came.
You need to open it, I think,
Yeah.
right?
So here can I write? No, this step you clear or not? Please tell me.
Yes, yes, this step is
Clear?
clear. Yes.
Can I write here? Please look here. Your video is
Mm-hmm.
gone, so I can't see. Okay, no problem. Just
Oh, sorry, I moved it somewhere. Or you moved this?
no, I have not moved. See, can can I write 9u square is equal to 3u whole square? And in the bottom, can I write 2k whole square? Everything whole square can I write in place of 9u? Just think and then tell me. And power,
Uh,
and power
yes,
whole
yes.
2 power 3. Can I write?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now x power 3 by 2 and 2 power 3. What will happen?
So you multiply it.
Yes, power over power is multiplied. I will teach you.
So then it's going to be 4 divided on 3.
Where? Which one? This one you are telling or this one you are telling? I am take asking.
This one, no, this one is x.
X. And power over power, I told you to multiply it. Okay?
Okay, yes, it's the answer is coming. Yes,
Answer is coming na?
yes.
Only one mistake, only definite integral we have not used. So that is the reason it is not came.
Mm-hmm.
Please tell me any doubt is there? Please tell me.
Uh, no, just I don't. Maybe you can explain to me again about this definite integral.
Yes, I will explain you. Still, I have not taught you. I have not
Yes, yes,
teach you.
yes. So this
Uh,
this is the only question.
okay. But this is a very good question. This is the given the very good idea about your what we have learned just now. It is application of that one. Application of that
Mm-hmm.
one.
Mm-hmm.
Just now what we have learned differentiation, integration. Both we have
Mm-hmm.
utilized there. Am I right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now you have told me some. Shall I continue with the difference definite integral, or you want me to explain something about log? Whichever you want, I will tell you.
What from you
No,
mean from figures?
logarithm you told na? Log.
Log. Yes, yes.
Log.
We can do
Okay.
log. I don't know. It's up to you. Yeah.
No, see, logarithm is what? First you tell me. Logarithm
Log
is
is
the exponential inverse function. It is also inverse function of
yes,
a
inverse
exponential.
function of.
Correct na? E power x.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, what
Mm-hmm.
is the log? I will tell you.
Mm-hmm.
See, whenever I'm writing the log, there are two things must be there. Some base will be there. Suppose this is the base
Mm-hmm.
and this is the value 4.
Mm-hmm.
Correct na?
Mm-hmm.
What is the, see, look here, log base 10 4. One is written as log e power
Mm-hmm.
x, or what is the difference between these two? Is it both are same? No. Here
No.
base is 10, here base is e
V.
exponent. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Suppose if this value is y, let us say assume this is the value of y. Then what does it
Mm-hmm.
mean? It means if I give 10 power y, then what I should get? 4. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
10
Okay.
power y is equal to 4.
4.
Is it
Mm-hmm.
clear?
Mm-hmm.
For if it is equal to z, then what does it means? E power z is equal to 4. Means
Mm-hmm.
10 power what I should give so that it's equal to 4. Is it clear? Now let us take one
Mm-hmm.
more example. Log base 10 and it is given 100 is equal to how much?
Is equal
Oh,
to
yes, it is
2
equal to 2. How it came? Say let us exam x power,
because
it is, you just
10
you
power
assume
2.
x, it is equal to x. Then you have tell 10 power x is equal to 100. And you know that 10 power 2 is
Mm-hmm.
100. So x is equal to 2.
Mm-hmm.
Very simple way I have taught
Mm-hmm.
you. Correct na? You understood?
Mm-hmm.
If
Mm-hmm.
I says log 10 10, what is the value of this one?
Um, is 1.
1. If I say
Mm-hmm.
log 10 1 is equal to how much? 0. Why?
0. Because 10 on
10
power
power
0 is
0
1.
is 1. What about the log e power 1?
Is going to be
Yes, it is
0.
also
No.
going to be
Mm.
0 because any power 0. Yes,
Any
whether
number.
e or
Yes.
whether
Mm-hmm.
anything. Correct na? E value
Mm-hmm.
is, if you see the
Mm-hmm.
calculator, it is coming 2 power 3 something it is coming. I have not got some exact. Okay, if you are having scientific calculator, you can see that one. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so now there is some algebra in logarithm. There is some algebra in the logarithm.
Mm-hmm.
What is the algebra? Like log of a plus log of b. When I'm not writing here, it means it is the base e.
Mm-hmm. What does it mean, this base E?
See, log, I told that here it is base is e means here. You see here. Base on this power x you
Mm-hmm.
give, then this much will come. Base can be anything.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Base may
Okay.
be 2, base may be 4, base may be 5. But
Mm-hmm.
commonly we will use either
Mm-hmm.
10 or either e. E value you want, just I
Okay.
will tell you what is the e value.
But how is connected to this log function? Is
Yes.
it connected somehow?
Yeah.
This E number? Uh-huh.
1 second. 2.718. E value is 2.718.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, some property I am using
Mm-hmm.
now.
Mm-hmm.
Log A plus B. It means log E A into B. Please understand.
Mm-hmm.
Any doubt?
Mm-hmm.
Now
Mm-mm.
log E A by B.
A minus B.
Log B.
Log B, yes.
Power if it is there then.
Uh, N. Uh, N is going to be N A. N. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. A.
How much? What is the value?
Log Bx is going to be
Hmm.
log A divided on uh,
Because
A
x
divided
values
on B.
cancel. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Differentiation of log x. Please tell me.
Dx.
1 by x.
1 second. Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Please tell me what will be the differentiation of log 5.
1 divided on 5x.
Huh?
1 divided on 5x.
1 divided by 5x.
No?
One second, let me think. No, no.
No? Uh, I don't know.
You 5x, one second, log ax. Just one second, I'm thinking. 1 by ax.